Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to trade meme coins on Padre app. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on a Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. Open your browser, head to trade.padre.gg. You can choose to log in with Telegram, MetaMask, Phantom or your Google account. Let's continue with our Google account. So I'll just tap on it, choose an account, continue. Now you need to create a password. After you type in your password, just tap on Setup Password. Now this simply means your password is used to encrypt your wallet private key on your device. The terminal team does not know, store or have any way to recover your password. So if you forget or lose your password, you won't be able to access your private keys on the app and you could permanently lose access to any funds in your wallet if you have no backup. So it is advisable to store your private key safely. In case you lose the password, you can import the private key into another wallet like Phantom, MetaMask and so on to recover your funds. Just tap on this, then tap on continue. So your wallet is ready. Tap on the drop down icon to choose your preferred chain, copy the address, then deposit funds. We'll be depositing Solana, so I'll just copy the address and send funds to it. After funding your account, just tap on start trading. So we have successfully created an account and also funded the account, and this is the landing page. So let's quickly run through the interface. This is the Trenches tab. Trenches is a specialized section designed for discovering and tracking very early stage meme coins launched on bonding curve platforms like Pom.fun or similar on other chains. It is essentially a real-time sniper dashboard where traders hunt for new launches before they gain massive traction. Tokens here are in the pre-radium phase, meaning they are extremely early, highly risky and can have high potential rewards. The goal is to spot promising ones, buy early and sell when they graduate to full liquidity pools. New is for brand new launches on pop.fun. These tokens are in their very early stage with low market caps and few buyers. Soon shows tokens close to completing the bonding curve. They are gaining traction and are about to migrate to radium. This is often the sweet spot for sniping. Recent shows tokens that just completed the curve and migrated to radium. They are now fully tradable on DEX. The trending tab at the bottom shows popular pumping tokens. You can see different tokens and their market cap here. You can also see their percentage increase. The track tab is dedicated to monitoring and tracking external wallets, traders and social signals on X. It is designed for memecoin traders who want to gain an edge by following successful or influential wallets, spotting alpha calls, and enabling features like copy trading. Wallet tracker is used to view and manage on-chain wallet tracking. Just add any wallet you want to track here to see their trades. While X tracker is for managing X-related tracking settings. Portfolio is your personal dashboard for tracking all your memecoin holdings, trades, P&L, which is profit and loss, and your wallet balance across multiple blockchains. Reward tab is where you view, track, and claim incentives designed to reward active traders and users who bring in new people. It is essentially the app's loyalty and referral program section. Now, how can you trade meme coins on Padre? The first step is to find the meme coin. You can choose from trending or trenches. Let's choose from trending. Tap on the token of your choice. Now you can see the real-time price data, the on-chain metrics, and the chart of the token. Make sure you analyze the token before you buy. After analyzing, just tap on buy. Set your amount, then tap on buy. The process is the same if you want to sell. Just tap on sell, input the amount you want to sell, then sell. So that's how to trade meme coins on Padre app. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.